Hello guys, today I will tell you how to download Unity for game development. So, pack your backpack and get ready. First go to Unity official website. Click on Get Started. Go to Individuals and select Personal Edition. Click on Start Here, and a box will pop up. Click on Agree, and download will be started. Now we will download a ride called Visual Studio 2019 and set it up. Search Visual Studio. Now, download Community Edition. After downloading it, open Visual Studio Installer. Click on Install and follow me. Now open Unity Hub. Go to Installs and select 2020.6 version. Now, it's done. If you have any problem, comment it down so that I can fix your problem.